Let's learn how to link bank account with Binance. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but you can follow up with any other device. But on PC it's a little bit simpler than on phone, so I recommend you do this on PC. Okay, let us start by opening Binance. To link bank account, we will have to go to payment sections. To do that, click on user center on this icon and just go to payment. It's 4th in a row, and as you can see here, this is payment section. I have not added any payment method yet. To add it, click on this plus white button, add a payment method, and now it will open you every bank that is available at the moment. Select a payment method. Here you can search your bank. For example, I search this. Here you will get your information. Account number, you will have to put that in here, and payment details are optional, so you don't have to write anything here. Please make sure you add a bank card number for instant payments, so do not include details of other banks or payment methods. You must add the payment detail of the selected bank, so make sure you selected the right bank, because they are not available every bank, so maybe your bank is not available, and yeah, so that's it, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.